How to set up Home Depot application for mobile shopping here on your device right now on your iPhone or Android. For this, I'm going to open it on my iPhone's Safari browser, but if you have the application, you can use the app to use it. Now I will click on the Safari and open the homedepot.com website here. That will redirect me to the home page here. As you can see, there are a lot of items on the bottom of screen. There is an option called Shop All, Services, DIY and Login. So please choose the address from the top of your screen and search the item you want to buy, like any of the storage, like this one. I will click it, Husky, and then I have to simply add it to my cart, then start shopping, enter my address in this menu and your zip code, then pay for it, and you can start simply shopping from this application. This is the setup. That is very basic setup to simply do it. Enter address, pay out and receive your order. Thank you so much for watching this video.